So the war in Sudan is still going on, and there is no hope, no end of war in sight. But I just was checking out the news today. It seems like there has been a 3 day ceasefire agreement. I don't know if it's an agreement or it's just somebody who they took that decision. So America and Europe are scrambling to rescue their people, and let's get this update.
As fighting between government forces and an armed militia group rages on in Sudan, nations from around the world are rushing to evacuate their diplomats and citizens out of the country. This as the Biden administration is hailing a dramatic nighttime rescue of nearly 100 American diplomats and personnel over the weekend.
And I determined that the deteriorating security conditions in Khartoum posed an unacceptable risk to keeping our team there at this time.
Officials say the daring mission included members of the Navy's Elite SEAL Team 6 traveling 800 miles by helicopter from Djibouti to the U.S. Embassy in Khartoum. Once there, the team was on the ground for less than an hour. The National Security Council saying President Biden gave the green light Friday after it was deemed safe and feasible.
It was very well planned and seamlessly executed.
But an estimated 16,000 Americans remain in Sudan, with the NSC now stressing conditions are not safe for a larger evacuation.
The safest thing for Americans to do is to shelter in place.
So yeah, it seems like America, they are even risking themselves, risking their personnel to rescue the people in the really important Americans who are working for the embassy were stranded in Sudan, because when this started, everybody thought, I mean, it's just gonna be like a 1 or 2 day thing and then it will be done. But nobody anticipated that it will take this long, and it still looks like it's still gonna continue going on. So I think that's why the American government have decided to pull its people out of Sudan. And I didn't know that they were
Leaders to end the violence. Officials say the fighting is not letting up. Meanwhile, a USAID disaster response team has been deployed to help the ongoing humanitarian crisis. Em Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.
Watch breaking.
So yeah, it seems like the war is still going on, and it's getting even more dangerous. And none of the generals have come to the table to even negotiate a ceasefire or an agreement to hand over power, or an agreement to just continue sharing the power as how they have been doing. And what is really going on? It seems like there is so much more that we don't know of, so much more that has not been said yet. And we are hoping that things will be clearer and clearer as as time goes on. But hopefully there won't be so much casualties, because so far I think 400 people, I think civilians, have been killed in the crossfire of this ridiculousness mess. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe as we continue to follow the news of Sudan.